Hi, this is Dr. Tom Moore, Associate Director of Admissions here at Greensboro College. Thank you for coming to our website. The fact that you are here means that you're thinking about coming back to school or starting school. Good for you. It's a great decision, and Greensboro College is a great place for you to be. Please go to the admissions page to find the application for admission, and make sure that you fill out the correct application because it can be confusing. If you are a new freshman student under the age of 23, there's an application for you. If you are a new freshman student over the age of 23, there's a different application for you. If you're a transfer student, a graduate student, or a returning student, there are also different applications for you. And so when you go to the admissions page and scroll down to where the application categories are, please check on the one that applies to your situation. If you're not sure, please reach out to me. Give me a call and I can direct you in terms of which one to fill out and how to fill it out and what materials are needed. There is no application fee, so fill out that application today and send it in. And once we have it, we will also need from you other materials, such as a high school transcript if you have less than 24 college credits, college transcripts from all of your previous schools, and if you're under the age of 23, a Dean of Students form signed by the Dean's office at your current college.